What's going on, brother? What's going on? How you doing today? How you doing today, bro? How you doing today? Not bad. That's good, man. That's good to know. That's good to hear. That is good, bro. Hey, what's up, bro? Welcome, Matt. Welcome to the stream, brother. Welcome to the stream. From Africa. Shout out Africa, man. I lived in South Africa for many years of my life. Many years of my life I lived in Africa, bro. Love Africa. Love Africa, man. Shout out to you, bro. Right now, I'm just going through a few setups that I broke down last night's stream. So we have a playlist here, and this playlist basically starts from Bitcoin all the way. Okay, so this support did not hold; it broke. We never entered this trade anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But we did have a fib from A, B, and we're waiting for C. Um, so just going through a few pairs here. I've got Bitcoin that we're going through. Why do I have so many lines here? Put that there. And delete everything. Such a mess. Okay. So we got the daily here. We have a massive daily Fibonacci. Price rejected the 23.6 on the daily fib. That's why it never continued to the upside. And I remember what I said. We are below 2 daily resistance, so keep that in mind. And yeah, I was right. It didn't break as easily as However, we might see a deeper pullback for more buying pressure to be able to break these 2 daily resistance that we have here. Oh my god. Copy, paste. That way it's more clear. That's what I'm seeing. BTC pulling back, US 30 pulling back. I don't trade US 30. I'm gonna keep it down here. We have pound yen playing to the T and more, surpassed our TP. Could have been up. Could have been up a few hundred pips at this point. God damn. 600, easy peasy. 600 pips. Wow. Copy and paste that here. Let's delete it from this side. Let's go on the daily. Shit. Delete that. My dailies is from here to here and now to here. Boom. We're trading at the 50% right now for the daily. So that's A, B. Is this C? Well, we're gonna see a deeper pullback to 61.8. Either way, that's the daily. This side of the charts. Oops. We'll have that there. We'll have one here. You have to know where price could go to and travel from. And we have one down there as well. So we have 3 supports. We got 2 resistance. As a matter of fact, I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to keep this middle one here. Just because it's a median. And that is the daily. We go down 4 hour. We have a 4 hour here. Right there. We have another 4 hour down here. Price is at this level. Nah. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it this way. Now if I go on the 4 hour on this side, and this is my fib played out to the T, so now we can move it over and have our new fib now from point A to point B, and this negative 26, boom, matches right there. Okay, so I wouldn't go, just because we had a madness of a move 4 hour. Oh, so we have a 4 hour. Let's see. Oh, I think this is the daily. Yeah, okay. Nice. Let's delete these. And I'm pretty sure from here to here is 1. Yep. From here. No. Okay. From here to here, yeah. And that's what I'm looking at. Elo from Waska, I think we're back to 162. You think we will pull back all the way to 162, GJ? Very possible. I never say no. I never say no to anything because I'm a reactive trader. Whatever price wants to do, please go ahead, be my guest. I'll just react. I will sit back, relax, and let price play out. And if price does exactly what I wanted to do to get into a sell or a buy position, I mean, at this point, we just got this could consider it a bullish engulfing, but because the wick, it didn't close above the wick, I'm not liking it. But yeah, so we had last market boom boom, and then we could see a retracement for a continuation. However, keep in mind that we are on the daily on a 50% retracement, right, for the overall massive move. So if price starts heading to the upside from this point, we know why. We know the daily is happy with the retracement it's done and ready to reverse all the way to the upside. However, going back on the 4 hour, we have to keep in mind if it's not done. Hi Extreme, what's up, man? Welcome to the stream, brother. Then we will see a pullback till, you know, I'll start. Yeah, so this now confirms what you're saying. You think it's going to pull back to the 162. And right here, my 4-hour fib, the 162 level, lies perfectly with a 38.2 retracement on the Fibonacci. So that could be a very nice short entry for me if price really stops, hold, and gives me a market structure point, like gives me some sort of a signal, and you know, a nice 1-hour bearish engulfing or something to indicate a sell. And then my final TP would be 157,500. So that's really interesting. We'll see. We'll see. There we go. So this is why I haven't taken any trades as of today, because you can see price is now in the middle of nowhere. Personally, I think price is now in the middle of nowhere. I'm gonna sit back and relax, because why do I think it's in the middle of nowhere? Because this price could continue to go down and I could just continue to drag my fib, right? However, if price really stops here and comes back all the way up, then I know for sure that, okay, cool, now I have a target in mind. I can sell it from this point. If this doesn't hold, I can go deeper, sell it from that point, deeper, sell it from that point, and so on and so forth. So yeah, I had this at green. I don't know why I changed to blue. Blue. So we're gonna make that green, and we're gonna make that green. There we go. Look at that. GBP USD did in fact drop to my 4-hour level, and now holding here. So you can see in this little area right there, we have 4-hour resistance. Copy that, place it here. 4-hour resistance, boom, 38.2, 50. We get on the 1 hour, going back on the 1 hour. My 1 hour is also the same. Copy, paste, boom. Price is at 38.2. Okay, I'm gonna delete that. I don't know why my cat is crying. Jeez. Need a video on Fibonacci, how to accurately use it. All right, I will. I'll make one. I'll make one for y'all. I'll make one for y'all and post it. If not today, I've got a video going up. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow. So make sure you subscribe with the bell so you get notified when I post the video, and then you'll be able to see it. So I'll make a video on how to use the Fibonacci correctly, and identifying market structure, and how to take trades from and to, because it can be crucial to have, you know, Fibonacci as confluences alongside your other main confluences. And yeah, greetings my brother, what's up man, welcome to the stream man. How you doing bro? So yeah, GU, if you watched last night's stream, price was all the way up here. I said I'm gonna set an alert up here. The alert did go through, but it was 2 a.m. my time, so I was dead asleep. I wasn't gonna wait for the shit and take the sell. But yeah, price is here anyway. Price has been moving to the upside. However, okay, so let's keep the 1 hour, right? This is 4 hour. Let's keep the 1 hour here, and let's look at the daily. Do we have a daily fib? Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do. Okay, so this could be a major sell now. Let's copy that, put this here on the daily. Let's delete that so that we have a clean chart. Right, GU. GU on the daily is now and has retraced all the way to a daily resistance and an 88.6. Right? Cool. We've identified that. What do we do next? Next, we identify our supply and demand areas. We have a supply area here. Price has already pierced through it once, pierced through it twice, and gave us a nice drop. Looking at the 4 hour here, 4 hour hasn't broken structure to the downside. It's still in a bullish market structure. Therefore, I would be patient and not get into a sell as of yet. Because if you see here on the 4 hour on our 4 hour market structure, we are at a 38.2, we are at a 50%, we are at a market structure point. Therefore, price could very well much come back into the supply area one last time before completely dropping. This could be our next higher low, so that the market can break structure closer to our supply area to give us a better risk to reward. So that's what I'm waiting on. You know, I like to be not. I like to be picky with my trades, and when you are picky, you will pick up the quality ones over the quantity. So yeah, I'm glad this is happening. I want this to be a higher because I'll have to wait for all the way down here for price to be to break this to have a stop loss above here. No, when price is giving us a higher low now, closer to our supply area, which means our breakup structure will happen closer and further up, further away from our take profit, and that results in a longer trade, a more profit, a better risk to reward. Beautiful GU market structure here for our we are at a 4 hour support as well as above a daily support, so keep that in mind. Looking at the 1 hour, I have a very nice bullish engulfing here. Price is already retraced. Now what you can do is bada bing bada boom, long position right there, take profit. I would set it like just above this high, because of you have to keep in mind the daily resistance and the 4 hour resistance. So target one just up there. Again, thank you for the subscribe, man, appreciate it. And then I'd put stops just above there, so that's a 3 to 1.2, easy peasy. And then if price continues to break highs, then we move take profit to our final take profit, which is all the way up there, which lines perfectly with my daily resistance above this one here. So yeah, this is GU for now. This is GU for now. Let's see, 30 minutes, let's see, 15, 5 broke structure, boom, boom, bada bing, bada boom, long position, right there, take profit 1, take profit 2, stops just below down here. If this doesn't work out, you know why, because we have a 1 hour fib in play, so keep that in mind. That's why I always say that the lower the time frame is, the less reliable it is, and the more likely you will get faked out, basically. But that's what I'm seeing right now. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing for GU. Hopefully it plays out, we'll see. I have a message. Bitcoin on the daily. Hamad, let me check this out for you, bro. Let's go to the Bitcoin chart. So here's what you're looking at. Let me see. You're looking at the daily and you're doing this. Let's see. You have a channel. You have a channel going through. Let's see. Personally, I don't trade channels and stuff like that. That stuff does not matter as long as you know market structure. That's all that matters. So you have a channel from here to here, something like this. Is that what you're seeing? Yeah, so you basically have a trend line going from here to here. You have a trend line going from here to here. Let me hide the middle. Base? No, let's keep the base up. Let's keep up. Hello? Okay, there we go. Red. Boom. Boom. Okay. So this is what you're looking at, correct? Base? No. Where's the middle one? What the hell? How do I get rid of the middle one, bruh? Okay, there we go. So that's what you're looking at. That's what you're looking at. Okay, so again, like I said, it's all cool and all to draw these, you know, to draw these channels, zones, whatever. But I mean, we've already established that Bitcoin is retracing here on the daily time frame, right? We have a retracement from point A to point B, right? And we also identified a bigger Fibonacci that the market yet to make a market structure point on. So we have two Fibonacci's on the Bitcoin. Short-term Fibonacci to take it for a long, to get to a market structure point on the 38.2. Channel is helpful for identifying highs and lows of beginners. Correct. I agree with you. I'm not a beginner. That's why I said I personally don't use them. When you know what you like, I can see it, you know, I can see it, but it's good. You're right. It's good. You're right. If you still get lost when it comes to channels and stuff, by all means, draw it on, draw market structure on. Personally, the less stuff I have on my charts, the cleaner my charts are, the better I see, and the happier I am. Just I'm very OCD about my charts. I like it to be so precise and as little things on my charts as possible. I don't like too much stuff going on. Anyway, so Bitcoin daily still retracing. Overall, you know, long term. However, short term, on the 4-hour time frame, price is bullish. You can see making very clean market structure. Low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and now market is retracing to make that higher low point to continue and maybe hopefully make a higher high point. So that's what BTC is now. Purely a waiting game. So what you can do so you don't miss this is set alert. Set an alert at the 50%, set an alert at the 60%, set an alert at the 78.6 alert, and see how price behaves at that point. Oh shit, price is holding the 50%. Damn, there's a nice break of structure on the 1 hour time frame. Damn, that's a nice bullish engulfing on the 1 hour on the 50%. Then you can take a risk of 1%, because if you're right, you will catch a massive move. If you're wrong, then just wait for a better retracement and you will make that money back and more, because you will get a better risk to reward. Because if you're wrong about this level, maybe you are less wrong about this level, and just, yeah, wait and see. That's it for Bitcoin retracing. GPP JPY retracing. What do we have here? Oh, GU. What's happening on GU? GU in profit. See, easy peasy, in profit already. Look at that. So if you took this trade, you would have been in profit. Instantly in profit just by knowing where I am at all times with market structure. I'm never lost. I know I can take a trade any day, anytime, anywhere, just by knowing where I'm at in market structure. So you see it happening live right here, bro. Live right here. Very easy, very simple. Okay. Gold still retracing as well. Nothing to look at. Nothing to take trades from and to. This is the daily. Why do I have two fibs? Or do I have a one fib? Copy, paste that there. You can see how precise I like to be with my Fibonacci's, because that's where you're going to be taking trades from and to. And if you're wrong about placing it, you're going to be wrong about the trade, and that will cause you to lose money. And we don't want that, right? We want to be able to be as precise as possible. It's like you're doing a heart surgery. No room for mistakes. So let's delete this 1 hour fib from this chart. I like it clean. This is irrelevant now. Delete it. Okay, 4 hour. Let's go 4 hour. Copy, paste, boom boom. There's the 4 hour. Price has already made the move based on A, B, C. Price hit, take profit. So now A, B, we're gonna wait for C to then go to D to take profit. Let's remove that from there now because we don't need it. We have it right here. Price perfectly bounced off 4 hour support. Therefore, I will move it and I'll place it right here because that is the new one. And then I will copy and paste that and then put it right about there, because that would be my next resistance. That price could very well possibly come to collect orders to then come and sell and make our our higher low point. There we go. Let's keep that there. Daily we are at a 50%, so let's see. Boom. 4 hour, cool. 1 hour, beautiful stuff. Let's go at the daily here and take this fib, place it here. Boom. Highly recommend getting TradingView Plus, Pro, whatever. It really helps and keeps you organized, and and please, if you're trading off your phone, just stop and get a like a tablet or something. So this is my mobile trading view. I have a tablet right here with a keyboard attached to it, right? It's an iPad Pro. If I'm mobile, if I'm around, if I'm going outside, I take this with me. It's light, it's easy, because looking at your charts on the phone is never fun. It's really not fun, and you will make a mistake or two. I have a laptop here, but it's too big. I don't want to carry it around. So this iPad Pro is perfect for, I take it around and I have literally everything right there. And it's, let me show you actually how it looks on here. It's so nice. It's so clean. It's literally like a mini laptop basically. Where's TradingView? Right here. Oh, that's not TradingView. That's TradingView. So I can go to here. Look at that. A little mini TradingView charts right there. See? It's perfect. It's perfect. It's way better than looking at your phone. Yeah, so you have to be looking at the whole picture. You see, when I'm busy being precise, like look at this, it's madness. I can see everything. I have a 38, no, not a 38, sorry, a 32 inch curved screen here. So I'm able to see everything. I'm able to see where's price at, what's it doing, what does the price look. Look how much bearish price has been. Price is so bearish. But look what happened here. Weekly support. Every time price comes to this point, shoots up. Every time comes to this point, shoots up. Every time comes to this point, shoots up. And now it's here. Will it shoot up again or not? You will never see on your phone because the phone is so small. You can never. But yeah. So 4 hour Bitcoin is now at a point where we do not want to touch it yet. We want to wait and see if price rejects here. We can sell it with it so that it makes a higher low point. There's our new fib from A, B to C. So here's what I'll do: make a actually, hold on. Look at that. Okay, gold. Why is my trading view laggy? Hello? What the hell's happening? Hey yo, trading view, fix your shit, man. Reload, reload. There we go. Okay. So Bitcoin, we said we're gonna go to gold, and on gold, so we got A, we got B, 4 hour, boom boom. We got a daily A, B, still retracing. Daily 1 hour, yeah, that's there, boom. From A to B, price never actually came down to, yeah, so we're gonna have to move that with price. So the 1 hour stopped right around there, and now my 38.2 matches perfectly with my 4 hour resistance, so that is sweet. Looking at the 4 hour here, we got A, we got B, and now we're looking at this. We don't need it there, we're gonna take it here, boom, A, B. That's not B because the price never stopped, so we're gonna move that there. We know this is my 1 hour zone, 4 hour zone. Beautiful, beautiful stuff, man. Oh, from there, but like, I don't know if I would take that, to be honest. Yeah, nah, I'm not gonna take it. I'll stick to my weekly. I'll stick to my weekly. This one is done, so we don't need it. We're gonna put a new one right about there. Thank you very much. And there is gold. Just like that, done and dusted. GU still in profit. GJ tracing, BTC rejecting 50%. Check AUDUSD. I was thinking to take long scalp here if 15-minute close above. Okay, let's check. Euro USD still retracing. AUDUSD, you said? AUDUSD, I was taking things long if price closes above 6931. 6931 on the 15 minutes, huh? So you want to take a buy from here, 3-1, right about there, and have stops below this level here. Okay, let's break it down, shall we? Let's break it down. Let's break it down, chat. Didn't I break this down yesterday? Why is it not here anymore? Did I break it down on main? Oh my god, are you shitting me? Yes, DJPY made the... Oh my god, it's gonna start retracing now. Gold, bang, bang. Okay. AUD, AUDSD. So this is AUDSD. Here's our analysis for AUDSD. What the fuck? Keep your fucking Fibonacci's on the same time frame. Stop mixing them up. Okay. Daily time frame. Fibonacci. We have point A. We have now point B. Right? We have point A. We have point B. Price is doing a little retracement. Price is what? Doing a little retracement. Hi everyone. Jersey, what's up, bro? Welcome to the stream, man. So daily AUDSD retracing based on the move it recently did, this bullish move, right? Cool. It's retracing on the daily. However, we are at we have daily support, we have daily support, we have daily support. 3 demand zones, A, B, and price is now at C. Cool. We identified that. 4-hour time frame. Now the 4-hour time frame, let's hide this from 4 hours. Okay, cool. It's hidden right there. 4-hour time frame. The last market structure for the 4-hour was A, B, price came down, gave us C, and then never continued. It gave us a equal high, and then from that point, the price gave us a bearish engulfing and broke and came straight back down, right? So now my new fib is from A, hold on, wait, what? Yeah, A, B, price retraced all the way to 100%. You can see the candles closing on the line, but never like one closed above and then the second one straight closed below. Therefore, that wasn't really broken. It was still holding. That's what I mean. A little fake outs, spikes for people who has stops above the 100%, because a lot of people would put stops just above the 100%. So obviously they know that and they spiked it out, and so on. And then price actually respected the 100% and never closed outside of it. It closed on it, and then the next candle closed below. So that tells me one thing, that AUDSD is very well gonna drop to the negative 27% here. Why do I think that? Because one, on the 4-hour, it closed below 2 resistance levels on the daily. So one, it closed below 2 daily resistance and it broke structure here. 2, we have a Fibonacci from point A, point B. We have a C, and then price is now on its way to take profit level negative 27. Therefore, I wouldn't consider buying at all right now. You can see prices in the middle of nowhere. Prices in the middle of nowhere. It ain't doing anything right now. It's purely simply just pulling back a little bit to continue this momentum. You trying to buy against these waves. Like, think of these two bearish massive candles right here as waves coming towards you, and you're trying to serve against it, against the waves. Like, honestly, I wouldn't personally. No, I wouldn't consider buy, not even a scalp, because what is the point? What is the point in taking 10 pips when you can catch 100 pips? You know what I'm saying? That's just my personal preference and how I like to trade. But go ahead, man. Go ahead. You could have been up, 2 pips, 3 pips now. I don't know. From here to here, 5 pips. But yeah, so for me, I'm bearish. I'm bearish just because we also have point A, point B daily. And on a daily, this is a fib. And now we're busy retracing. So the fact that market broke structure and then we had a new fib, and now the fib is bearish and 4-hour time frame is bearish, I'm not gonna be looking for buys. However, I'll only be looking for sells. Now that doesn't mean price couldn't just come back all the way up to 38.2 or 50 or 61.8. It could very well do that. I'm just saying I'd rather wait for it to get to that point and then sell it for 100 pips, not buy 5 pips, 10 pips, and then if somehow they start selling it all of a sudden, I'm not in the wrong and hit my stop loss. I'd rather, I think it will reach this recent 1-hour broken support, which was 69540. We're getting to the 1-hour time frame. Let's go now down to 1-hour time frame. So the fact that we have 4-hour here, A, B, and then C on our way to D. So here's what I would do, right? Let's take our fib. AB, broke, okay. So then AB broke, okay. %, cool. Now I'll move it to the 50%. $38.2, cool. I'll move it to 38.2. Boom. There is my 1-hour fib. Yeah, that is my 1-hour fib. Price is retracing, and you said it's gonna retrace to 69540. 69540. Look at that. 69550 is lining up with my 38.2 retracement, right? 38.2. So let me put this here, right? 38.2. Let me see if anything. Okay, look at that. So we have 1-hour fib 38.2. We have a 4-hour fib 38.2. So price could very well come up to that level, make a lower high point, and then continue its bearish momentum. So yes, I would rather be selling it from that point once it gets there, and once it actually stops there and starts making a market structure point and starts giving me signals that it's ready to sell again, because they are ready to sell it. I mean, look at this momentum. Massive 4-hour candles. These are massive candles. These are momentum candles. Each candle is 50 pips. A total move of 100 pip to the downside. What makes you think all of a sudden they're going to start buying it? And everything else is telling me to sell. Reason for that, we are at a weekly support. Price literally respected that weekly support. Look at that, closed on doji, bullish engulfing, bullish candle. The next candle, boom, closed straight below, or actually still on it, but yeah, massive bearish candle here on the daily as well. and it never broke this high. Therefore, if you even have a fib from this point to that point, you can see that this was in 88.6 Fibonacci retracement. So very nice, very clean. I wouldn't be buying. I'd rather be selling once it gets to a certain point. And the reason for that is even our daily fib from A to B, we haven't even came back to made a higher point, a higher low point. So yeah, you know, maybe the overall is bullish eventually, and the dollar is about it's ready to start weakening and stuff, and the trend shifts. But that's an overall, that's a swing, you know. But we can catch, you know, a few hundred pips coming down before catching thousands of pips going up. That's all I'm saying. I don't like to go that much high, like wait days and weeks, but I don't like to go that low either, like 10 and 15. I like the 1 hour, I like the 4 hour. I feel like I'm more consistent. I'm less likely to get faked out on these time frames, and they are more reliable. You know, when you see a bearish engulfing on the 4 hour and the 1 hour, does it hold more weight than a bearish engulfing or a bullish engulfing on that 10 minutes? It does, for sure. So yeah, that's my outlook for this pair. That's my outlook for this pair. AUDSD. I'm gonna actually set an alert at this level, so I'm alerted. Tracing, cool. USD JPY retracing. I have an alert there as well. Gold. What's the time? When will New York open? It's 12:26. We still have some time. Gold moved up sharply. What is your bias today? Gold is retracing on the higher time frame. Yeah, gold is purely retracing on the higher time frame, and I will not be looking into buys until it breaks this point right here. Anything below that, I'm still considered selling, just because we have a point A, point B, boom. We could very well see a massive drop all the way down to here, and I want to be on the right side of it. I don't want to be against it, because daily did I just delete my fib, or is this okay? Never mind. Yeah, so daily time frame, very, very bearish. Why would I be, you know, why would I be buying even if it moved to the upside sharply? This was only and purely a counter trend. I like to trade with the trend, and the trend is very, very bearish. So until I see something different, then I will start buying it. So these are my dailies. Point A, point B, right, point A, point B, and price is all on its way to close this fair value gap in the market on the daily. Do you guys know anything about the fair value gap? Anybody knows what a fair value gap is? and what an imbalance is in the market? Have an idea? Yeah, so basically there was too much selling pressure at this point. Buyers didn't have a chance, and then it leaves an imbalance, and price always are like sucked towards these areas to kind of close the gaps. Look at this. The reason why the wicks always comes back and close gaps is because there has to be a fair amount of there have to be a fairness between buyers and sellers in the market. It's some sort of rule that they have with the forex market. There has to be they have to be fair with buyers and sellers. That's why price always comes back. It's called a fair value gap and an imbalance, insufficiency, whatever you want to call it. So price, yes, it's moving sharply to the upside, but it's only retracing on the daily. And reason number two, it's filling up an imbalance and a fair value gap in the market. If you don't know anything about them and you want a very deep explanation, um, I don't know if you guys know ICT. He always talks about them. He only fair value gap, I think. I haven't really watched any of his videos, but I know for a fact I've heard people talk about his strategy and fair value gap, and I think it's his method. But yeah, so basically, price is purely just closing a fair value gap. Price is purely retracing on the daily. We have a 61.8 here. We have a 50 here. We have a so long term. It's selling, right? Look at this. Why would you be buying against a bearish market? So yeah, daily it's selling. 4 hour it's selling from point A to point B, and now this fair value gap is aligned perfectly with a 78.6 on the 4 hour. So I would really be considered selling from this point, maybe, if price gives me what I want and what I'm looking for. So let's get rid of the fibs on these time frames and keep the charts clean. Cool. Go back on the, what is this, 4 hour time frame. Let's delete that. We have it right here. Cool. Um 4 hour A, B, C. Okay, we have a weekly point in the market right there. My dailies is one down here. That's a daily. Another daily would be up there. Oops. Boom. There is it. 4 hour. Same thing. I'm tracing, filling the imbalance, filling the gap. Then I have my 1 hour. Let's go on the 1 hour here. And also watch this, guys. You see how price on here moving to the upside, but look on the RSI, it's moving to the downside. It's losing momentum because, like I said, yeah, it's moving to the upside sharply, but it's losing momentum as well. The RSI is a momentum indicator, and when it's losing momentum, there's less interest in them buying it than than selling it. So they're gonna probably start selling it soon once they're obviously ready. That doesn't mean it can't move up. It can. I'm just saying, this is my bias and this is what I think is going to happen. It doesn't matter what I think, doesn't matter what you think. We can only just react. Once price obviously is ready, then we can only react. So then my last smaller time frame is my 1 hour. From point A to point B, we have a fib, and now we could very much see a pullback or maybe a complete drop, and then a break of structure on the 1 hour, which is down here. From that point, I'll have a new fib from point A to point B, look for a retracement, to then sell it to the downside. That is my outlook for gold. But yeah, that's just my outlook and what I'm waiting on. I'm just following market structure, I'm following trend, and being patient, you know. I'm not saying you can't find opportunities. Either way, you can. That's just not for me. I'm not a scalper. I'm a day trader. I like to, you know, a day or two. Hold it for a day or two. Nothing too crazy though. Boom. Shit is lining up. So what do you all think? Any other trades you guys want to break down? Just let me know, of course. Wow. Look at that. Told you. Knowing where you are at all times, I can find a trade or two. We are already running 12 pips, 20 pips at some point in profit. You guys saw me break GU. I broke this down from nothing. You guys saw, just play the stream back. You saw that somebody asked me about GU. I broke it down, and I told you, you can find opportunities left, right, and center just by understanding where you are in market structure and using Fibonacci's correctly and doing all the good stuff. So, and I said, if this doesn't play out, that means look at the higher time frame, see what's the hourly doing. Okay, hourly, damn, we are at a 38.2. It just made a market structure point. It made a higher low point. Now my target for GU would probably be here on the 1 hour. Long term, short term, for a scalp position, my take profit would be around there. You just have to play around with these time frames. You have to play around with what type of trader are you? Are you a swing? Are you a day trader? Are you a scalper? And based on your specific preference, then you're going to take trades based on that. So if you're a day trader, don't wait for a 5-minute bullish engulfing and then take a buy and hold it for hours. No, you're going to have to wait for a 1 hour or a 4-hour bullish engulfing to hold it for a few hours because you're a day trader. If you're a scalper, sure, go look for a 5-minute bullish engulfing, but you have to only hold it for a few minutes. You can't hold it for a day or two because you'll get wrecked. It's just that simple. I don't know why people make it so complicated and confusing. It's, guys, it's right here, live. I'm doing it live. Any of you entered this trade? Let me know if you guys did. Should move stops to break even if you did. And keep in mind, we are bearish overall, so don't hold it for too long. Okay, makes sense now. Yeah, I was talking to Chad about this trade yesterday. Hurts. It hurts. Look at this. What a fucking spike, hey? And then price moved in our direction for over 200 pips. These are 4-hour setups, guys. So they take a day or two to play out. They take a day or two to play out. But these are beautiful setups. Um, in a way, yes, because obviously it's the dollar. You see, it's the dollar. If the dollar is weakening, right? If the dollar is getting weaker and weaker and weaker, what do you think? What do you think is going to happen to these pairs? They're going to plummet. They're going to get weak against the dollar because the dollar. Sorry, they're going to go up because the dollar is weakening. They're going to go up. And if the dollar is very strong, a lot of people are going to move money from to dollar because it's strong, it's healthy, all that bullshit. So yes, in a way they do. You're right, but don't like really go in doing that blindly, if you know what I mean. Like, don't just boom boom. Yeah, don't do it blindly if you know what I mean. Just be careful. So overall, the dollar is on a retracement, right? If we look at the DXY, the dollar is retracing. We have a point A, we have a point B on the Fibonacci. We have a market structure bullish. We have identified bullish market structure. All right, we have identified bullish market structure. Look at this, very very bullish. Why would you start selling? It makes no sense. Anyway, let's put that there. Cool. And let's delete that from here. So, right, so bullish market structure identified. All right, now we have a support. Cool, price is rejecting it. Now, is dollar ready to fly to the moon? If it is, and if it does, remember what I said, on the daily, GBP USD is retracing, so keep that in mind, right? Yes, this is a short-term buy, but remember what I said on the daily. Look at the daily time frame. Here is our fib, because we're looking at the daily on the dollar, and the dollar on the daily is retracing to the downside. The dollar, the GBP USD on the daily is retracing to the upside, right? Negative, like they are opposite. So when the dollar is ready to fly to the moon and to complete this Fibonacci, if it wants to do it, then the daily on GBP USD will start coming down to complete this level fib. Making sense here? Understand there what I'm trying to say? Yes. Okay, cool, perfect. So yeah, making sense. Cool. So now you understand why and how you can see. And also, I said that same thing. A, B, C, maybe a D, or A, B to then still a drop to then take it to another buy for C. So yes, in a way they do have similar, but I would keep everything separate. Trust me, just keep everything separate. Just trade each pair, because trust me, if you understand market structure, you don't have to even look at the DXY, because if, like, how do I say it? Because it's just gonna confuse you a little bit. If you see the dollar is gonna go up, oh my god, the GPP has to be coming down, and if GPP is not ready, you're gonna just take a loss, unnecessarily loss. But if you just focus on pound dollar, wait for the signal, and ride the wave, ride the trend, you should be good. Because if it's coming down, it's most likely the dollar is already going up. So yeah. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. I love how I always come on stream and then just find a random ass trade and give it to everybody, and I don't take them myself. And that shit always hits TP. Always hits TP. I've been trading for 2 years now. Yeah. 1 year full-time trader. I've been full-time, and I've been trading for a year before that, learning and while working at the same time. So 2 years in total I've been in this game. But when I say 2 years, I don't mean like studying for a month, taking a vacation, chilling for a month, coming back after a week or two. No. I'm talking 2 years, 24/7 a day. Yesterday's stream, I talked about how, like, my story and stuff. Nuts, crazy work ethic, crazy. It was 24 hours charts, non-stop. So yeah. And there's not a single thing, a single piece of knowledge out there, online, offline, paid, free, that I haven't taken and studied. And all of it together, I made my own little, like, formula to apply it on my trade. Oh my god, look at this, bro. Somebody tell me they took this trade just to make me happy a little bit, that we didn't just, all of us, miss out on this. Me, 2.5 years, but still need to learn a lot, but I have my own strategy. No, listen, never ever compare your time to anybody else, right? Like, some people takes years. I mean, let's talk about Q Banks. He took him few months to get profitable, he said. So everybody's different. Somebody here wants to say hello. I have 6 kittens, by the way. We got rid of 2. Now we have these both. Don't you press any button. We don't want to... So back to what I was saying. Sorry, he was distracting me. Yeah, don't worry about the timing, you know. Honestly, don't worry about the timing. And also, what is the point in being 2 years in the market but studying the wrong material? Not saying that you have, but like, what is the point in 2 years but you're studying something that isn't really that effective? And you know, you don't have the right mentor, you don't have a community to trade with, so that you're surrounded by people like-minded. And if you are looking for something like that, you guys need to join the Discord, guys. The link is down below in the description. Join the Discord, come chat to me, chat to other traders. I have traders making $100 a day from my signals, and the trades I've been breaking down, and we're taking it step by step, slowly but surely. So this is the Discord. Flex results here. My man is making, using a 0.505 and making $30, catching 100 pip trades, $100 day, $100 day, $100 day. Insane profits, insane. Almost 0 losses. Stop crying. Almost 0 losses. zero losses, madness moves. Trade ideas. This is the last night's signals. Last night's signals were absolutely fire. One signal was here, we held it all the way, and another signal, and then price is all the way now. Look at this. Let me show you. And look where price is at now. So first signal was up here, second signal was up here, and price plummeted to our take profit. You guys see that? Boom, 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 boom. Right there. So come in, join us, talk to us. Link is down below. And if you don't want to do that, you're looking for something more, if you're looking for something more affordable to say, I don't know how, what you can and can't, but if you're looking for something you will get similar benefits, is join the Forex Gang members exclusive benefits, right? Come in, join here. It's £8 a month. It's £8 a month. You get the loyalty badges next to your name during in live stream, and you also get customized emoji like stop loss, take profit, and sniper entry, customized emojis. You get weekly breakdowns, weekly Zoom calls, trade ideas. Join me live on Zoom while I'm live on YouTube, and 1 to 2 signals a day. So it's a no-brainer. Come in, join. It's very, very worth it. Bro, check gold. Where did you learn to where did you learn trading? By myself. I just online, bro. I searched everything. Yeah, just sat at home, studied material, studied everything I could put my hands on. Studied everything I could put my hands on, studied all the materials out there, studied all the courses, and just time on the charts. I'm checking gold, bro. What's up with gold? I'm checking it. Nothing is happening yet. My alarm hasn't triggered yet, and the reason why I have it right there is because it's yeah, it's the 78.6 for hour. I can bring it down a little bit. Okay. Don't you stress, buddy. Don't you stress. One day at a time, we will catch a trade or two. No rush whatsoever. Beautiful 1 to 5. Beautiful. This trade literally was 3 pips away from take profit 1. Literally 3 pips away. At this point, I would have literally closed because this resistance is now, you know, holding. So what is that? A 1 to 3? I'll take a 1 to 3 any day of the week. I don't know about you, but I'll take a 1 to 3 trade any day of the week. I'll take a 1 to 3 any day. Guys, give me 2 seconds. Let me go help my cat a little, real quick. Hold on. Give me 2 seconds. Let me go help my cat, man. They need help. Nothing really happened. Anything moved? No, no, no. Oh, look at AUDSD. Who wanted to buy? I remember someone saying they wanted to buy above a certain level. Look at it now, coming down. Gold. Are you shitting me? These cats keep me busy, man. So much work. Off you go. Keep eating my cables. Bringing closer and closer to Asia session. Bro, this video is so funny. Me deciding how much of my account to risk per day. This is so me, bro. 1%, never over. Me risk more? Hell nah. top 10 chess players of all time. Magnus is insane though, I'm not gonna lie. He's the current world champion. Yeah. Where's Hikaru? Oh, Hikaru is not one of them? What? Okay. Trading is easy. Just jump in right in it. And then you blow your account. Oh man, these when I used to post these videos are so funny. When you finally decide to start trading. Whee! So true in a way. Until you blow an account. This is the funniest video.
Can you feel it? That's the breeze of success.
When you make your first $10 of trading, that's the breeze of success. We're about to be rich. Oh, by the way, also there's a link here, guys, for free Telegram and Discord as well. It's all right here. It's all right here. Make sure you read this before you get in case you're expecting something and you know. GU's playing. Golds, nothing. It's 111. That's the breeze of success. There's really not much we can do at this point. Here's an idea. I got an idea to waste time, basically. What is this bullshit, man? Oh my god, no, no, no. Okay, that was a mistake. He's gonna take. He didn't take. What a fucking idiot. If I take, he'll take. Then I can take. If I do that, he'll take. Shit. Guys, help me out. I don't play chess, but it's fun sometimes. Put some pressure. If I take, he takes. I don't want to sacrifice. He can take if I put it there. Ooh. He's fucked. He's either gonna oh no, he's not. He can block it, to be honest. He didn't. I will take a horse, absolutely. I'll take a knight any day of the week. What did he do? Okay, so he take. If I take, I take. Look at gold. I am looking at gold right here. Do you not see it? I can see. It's right here. Nothing's happening yet. That's why I'm waiting. Be patient. You guys are not patient. Oh, I didn't mean to take. So you guys are distracting me. This is very funny. Anxious on the go. Removed. Wait. I did not plan that? I'm gonna lose. Bro, yeah, I can't play chess, to be honest. He's gonna lose one of these pieces. Check EJ, GJ. GJ is dropping. Okay, give me a second. That puts him in check, but then he'll eat. He'll take. So I don't want to sacrifice my queen for a pawn. Takes. Yeah. And oh my, no, I misclicked. What am I doing? He's destroying me right now, I'm not gonna lie. Fuck. Idiot. Maybe not. You can take. Top of the chair takes. Protect my king. Whoa. I can't even take it there. I can only go back. If he eats, I'll eat. Is this a draw? Why am I playing against an 800 when I'm new to this fucking game? How's that making any sense? Bitch. Whoa! We lost the game, boys. We lost the game. Okay, GJ. I'm checking GJ. Still within AB rejected 23, coming down. Euro. This is my point of entrance for Euro USD. A, B, C. I'll start selling. AUD, collab. Another 800. Why did they put me against 800? Okay. I'm new to the game. Custom game? No. What? I'm blind, honestly. I'm blind as hell. How do I leave this game? A potential short-term buy on GU. Where's GBP USD? A potential short-term buy on GU. Yeah, you could be right. I mean, technically, if you play the stream back, we entered right here, and yeah, we were in profit for a bit, but we entered on the 15. But yes, you're right. Fucking cats are eating this. Look at that, I won and I didn't even have to play. It has just mitigated our 1 hour order block. Oh, you trade order blocks and stuff. That's cool. Mm-hmm. Shit, I didn't see his screen. I can't think that far ahead for some reason. If I eat, he eats. It's not protected. what's happening. What is going on? Wait, what? You got 50 pips in EJ? What is EJ? Euro JPP? Euro JPY? You guys trade pairs I never even hear of. That's crazy. Oh, bitch. Is it? Yeah. Can push as long as it wants to. It is now at a weekly support, so keep that in mind. I have a plan. I have a plan, guys. Oh my god. What? Piss off. I misclicked. So stupid. Is this your 1 hour order blog? This is it? Mitigated 1 hour order block. Yeah. But you see, I don't trade smart money, so I wasn't looking for that. Can't believe I just lost to a robot. Yeah, nothing is happening, but I need to go. Yeah, I definitely need to go now. Okay, guys, I have to go now. I cannot stay on for any longer. I had to go and fetch my baby, so I will see you guys probably for age session, maybe if I have energy. We'll see. But thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the inside, man. Come join us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow or later. We'll see.